Purchasing gold bars. Investing in physical gold bars is a common strategy for diversifying portfolios and safeguarding wealth. Several reputable dealers offer a variety of gold bars to suit different investment needs. JM Bullion. Overview. JM Bullion provides a wide selection of gold bars in various weights and designs, catering to both new and seasoned investors. APMEX. Overview. APMEX offers an extensive range of gold bars from renowned mints worldwide, ensuring quality and authenticity. U.S. Money Reserve. Overview. U.S. Money Reserve supplies gold bars from established government and private mints with purity levels of 9999 and sizes ranging from 1 ounce to 1 kilo. Costco. Overview. Costco has expanded its offerings to include 1-ounce gold bars, which have been selling rapidly due to competitive pricing. Considerations. When purchasing gold bars, purity and weight. Ensure the gold bars have a high purity level, typically 999 or 9999 fine gold, and select weights that align with your investment goals. Reputable dealers. Purchase from established dealers who provide certificates of authenticity and transparent pricing. Storage and security. Plan for secure storage solutions, such as safety deposit boxes or insured vault services, to protect your investments. Market research. Stay informed about current gold market trends to make educated purchasing decisions. In conclusion, acquiring gold bars can be a prudent addition to an investment portfolio. By selecting reputable dealers and considering factors like purity, storage, and market conditions, investors can make informed decisions to protect and grow their wealth.